Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by picking a reliable VPN that supports browsing. This matters for speed and privacy. Install the extension or app now, don't delay. Once installed, sign in with the account you created and grant the extension only needed permissions. Make sure to select an encrypted protocol like OpenVPN or WireGuard in settings. This is why you get private, faster connections. Turn on the VPN and choose a nearby server for best speed. Once done, confirm the extension icon shows an active lock. You now configure the VPN to work specifically with the website. Enable the kill switch to prevent leaks if the VPN drops. This protects your session. If the VPN supports split tunneling, route only the target browser through the VPN to save bandwidth. Next, pick a server optimized for your use, nearby for speed, or a specific country to bypass geo-blocks. Then clear cookies or open a private window. This prevents old site cookies from exposing your original location. Make sure to test the site while connected. You finish by accessing the site with the VPN active and verifying the content loads as expected. If the site blocks access, switch to a different server in the same country or enable obfuscation to hide VPN traffic. This often resolves blocks. Make sure to clear DNS cache and restart the browser if content still fails to load. If everything works, lock your settings and disable unnecessary permissions. Troubleshooting tip: if pages time out, restart the VPN app and confirm the kill switch isn't misconfigured.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.